primary entry point has issued an emergency action notification for all citizens of the United States. An electromagnetic pulse has been launched towards the United States. Immediate action is required. Take shelter in a secure location away from windows and external walls. Gather essential supplies such as food, water, and medical necessities.
An on-site analyst has reported a conflict catalysts event within world classification of 3. Significant global threats that have the potential to cause widespread instability. These events demand immediate attention and coordinated international efforts to mitigate their impact.